HP equips the 8th generation of its business convertible with fast Ryzen 5000 CPUs from AMD, which offers significantly more performance than the Intel competition. However, the problem is still the extremely reflective touchscreen, which can also make life difficult indoors. The ProBook x360 435 is an entry-level business convertible from HP that relies on AMD processors. The Intel counterpart has the suffix 430. Now in its 8th generation, it is only a minor update because neither the casing nor the ports have changed. However, the new Ryzen 5000 mobile processors from AMD provide a significant performance boost that turns the compact convertible into a real powerhouse. We test the 32-in 18EA #ABD model for around €1,100, $1305, which is equipped with the fast Ryzen 7 5800U, 16 GB of RAM, a 512 GB PCIe SSD, and the glossy 1080p touchscreen. Cheaper versions are available starting at €880, $1044. Nothing has changed in the aluminum case. From the outside, the device makes a high-quality impression, and you cannot see any difference to HP's more expensive EliteBooks at first glance. This also applies to the stability and workmanship, which are both excellent. The base unit is not affected by pressure, and the screen, which is protected by an additional glass pane, can hardly be warped. Only pressure from behind quickly becomes visible as ripples on the panel. In this category, the ProBook also has a clear advantage over its direct competitor from Lenovo, the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G2. The hinges also do a good job, but you immediately see the very wide screen edges when you open the display, which is why the device does not look particularly modern. An update to the 1610 form factor seems to be only a matter of time. The bottom cover can be removed easily. The working memory and the M.2-2280 SSD are under an extra cover, and the WLAN module can also be replaced. All ports are available, including USB-C and normal USB-A connectors. However, you have to do without Thunderbolt or a smart card reader. The microSD reader achieves an average speed. Our review sample was still shipped with an old power adapter with a round plug, but the power supply is also possible via USB-C. The Wi-Fi module is from Intel, AX200, and supports the fast Wi-Fi 6 standard. In our standardized test with the Netgear Nighthawk RAX 120 router, the ProBook achieved very good transfer rates. HP installs a normal 720p webcam, including a mechanical shutter. The picture quality is very weak even in good lighting conditions. It serves its purpose, but you should not expect more. There are no changes in the input devices, which is not a problem at all. The keys offer sufficient travel and precise feedback. Even long texts can be typed comfortably on this keyboard. The two-stage white backlight is deactivated by default after a few seconds when you don't use the keyboard, but this setting can be adjusted in the BIOS. The ClickPad supports the Microsoft Precision standard, and the normal pointer control works perfectly. The pad can be pressed down in the lower area, which is acknowledged with a rather loud and muffled noise. Since it is a convertible, there is of course also the capacitive touchscreen. We cannot see any restrictions here either. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.